Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to play games on LG Smart TV. Now, what is the option here? Okay, I see many options. The first option and the most popular game option now is in Netflix. Okay, on Netflix you can find games. Okay, this is true. Okay, now open your Netflix and you can find different games like GTA or I don't know what other game you can find, but I know that you know that you can play. Sorry, this wait a minute, wait a second. Okay, I know that you this is a great movie that you can see. Okay, if you not find games in your Netflix with your TV, it's because your TV cannot play games. Okay, you need a new TV or other TV. Okay, with more new now. Okay, this is only way. This my TV is too old. Okay, maybe 10 or 12 years. Okay, I know that this TV cannot play games. Now, what is the other option? You can open your LG Content Store. Okay, if you go here, okay, LG Content Store, open this and you can find different games, 2 games. Okay, a lot games you can find here. Now wait a second, this is Shark. Okay, is loading. Wait, this is loading, and that's it. Now can you see example? Pong Gold Cup, okay, is like a soccer game. Okay, Sudoku, okay, Meteors, okay, this is game, okay, Big Quest, Astro Express, Banana Dash, okay, who invented that, okay, different too many games. You can Dream Reader, okay, you can find in your category, I don't know how you can say, and let me check all games. You can get a filter and put games, okay, and you can see difference and too many games. All these are games. Okay, it's too easy and good and perfect for your TV. Okay, and remember that TV is too old. Okay, if you get a TV model, okay, you have more games than me. Okay, and this is all for this video. Have a good day. See you later.